Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce ruanghalal.com to you. What is Ruanghalal? Ruanghalal is integrated halal marketplace that provides a marketplace for product and halal services. We can open it by type www.ruanghalal.com, and then we can see the many categories in the marketplace, such as halal food, and then halal cosmetic, and then another type of halal products. We know it's very interesting that there are also halal medicine, and then beverage, and then jewelry, and then fashion. We know that the halal market is very big, and yeah, we have a good chance to enter the market. Okay, we try to log in, and we can log in by using our Google account or Facebook, or we can register by regular. If we use a user, we use Google, you can login it easily, and then we can see the profile and the other private profile, of course, and there are many kind of halal goods that can be searched. Okay, we try to do transaction. We buy a cozy coffee chocolate, and we choose it, and then next we fill the address, and we choose the shipping company, and the next to the process of payment. They will be directed to bank transfer to Ruanghalal bank account, or we can choose another payment that using many different ways, such as bank transfer to